Hi, in front of me is Nokia G20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner over here and click on this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and when you're done, choose OK. Now tap on repeat and select days of the week. I want to go with Mondays only. Then click on Vibrate to disable Enable Vibrations and tap on Label. Over here you can label your alarm however you want to and save it by tapping on OK. Lastly, choose Default and tap on Dismiss. Now you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also choose Add New over here and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I will just go back and click on this icon at the bottom right corner of my alarm pop-up. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, click on delete at the bottom left corner of it and now it's gone. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and customize them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!